Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how much money I made in the past month from dividends. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I hope you guys learned something. But before we jump into the episode, right now we're doing an AirPods giveaway. It's going to be this week, Wednesday of this week. We're going to announce it. I'm going to buy them Tuesday, so it's going to be next week. Make sure you guys enter. How you enter, it's super simple. All you guys have to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then like my Facebook page, Carter Farr. Once you guys do that, you guys will be entered in for the giveaway. So let's jump into the episode. I hope you guys enjoy it. Roll the intro. Let's go. Bam! Now before we understand how much money I made, we have a couple of topics to cover. The very first one is, what are dividends? Well, dividends is honestly a very easy concept to understand, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money. So really what dividends are is, imagine if a company makes so much money that they pay their investors a little percentage of that. Now just to give you guys an example, if let's say we're going ahead and looking at Disney has a yield, a dividend yield of around 1 to 2% depending on the stock price. Now they do pay 88 cents biannually, so 2 times a year you'll get a check of 88 cents. Now the reason why dividends are awesome, because imagine if you have 100 shares, that's going to be a lot of money. And I understand that people always say it's very expensive to get into, but it's a passive income stream that you don't really have to worry about. Now, what companies pay dividends? Mostly blue chip companies. So these are companies that are worth hundreds of billions or trillions of dollars. These are companies that you and I know of. We see them almost every single day. They're companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Alibaba, a variety of other ones, ExxonMobil. There's a whole list of blue chip stocks that pay dividends. But the best ones that you guys need to look for are ones that in the future they're going to have some sort of growth. You don't want to invest into a company that you don't see some sort of value in the next 5, 10, 15, or 20 years. You want to invest in a company that's going to have that growth, so you're going to get the dividends, and then you're going to get the asset going up in value. So what am I doing? So for those of you that don't know, and you guys aren't subscribe. But for those of you that don't know, we're doing this dividend portfolio. We're starting from scratch, building this dividend portfolio that pays us $1,000 per month. That's the ideal goal. And I understand that this is going to take time. It's something that's not going to happen overnight. I realize that, and I have the mindset of long term, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. That's the type of mindset I have. So if I'm 45 or 50 years old, making $1,000 a month from dividends, that's going to be amazing. I'm going to use that money to invest it, provide for my family, and it's just overall going to be a great way for me to have that financial freedom. Another reason why I'm doing it is because the average millionaire has 6 to 7 passive income streams. And right now I'm trying to build up as many as I can. So I feel like dividend investing is going to definitely help me out, and it's going to definitely, make me learn some new things. It's going to, be an amazing experience. That's why I'm documenting all this experience and this journey on my YouTube channel. So if you guys feel some sort of value from, me trying to help you guys out, make sure you guys hit that like button. So now the biggest question is what stocks do you own? That's one of the biggest things that I get. That's one of the biggest questions that get asked to me. And obviously, I own quite a bit of stocks. I own roughly $2,000 worth of stocks. And I know for some of you that's going to be like, oh my God, that's a lot of money. And for some of you, it's going to be, that's nothing. That's how much I make in a day for some of you guys. But really, right now, I'm really focusing on, like I was saying, the blue chip stocks, index funds, and ETFs. The reason why I'm picking these is these all pay very great and affordable dividends. 2, they're very affordable. With this whole market being very, very volatile, with the prices going down, the way I'm looking at it is these stocks are on sale. Looking at Apple, Apple was literally trading at $330, and I bought it for $220. And so that is almost over $100 off its highs. Now I feel like Apple's a great long-term stock. They have a lot of cash. They make a lot of money, and they've always paid their investors. Now, obviously, I'm an amateur. All these stocks are all going to be my opinion, so take them with a grain of salt. If you guys feel like, you don't understand why I have a stock, make sure you guys just leave a comment down below and I'll either, get back to you. And if you guys want to chat with me, we're going to be doing this new series where you guys can literally chat with me on Skype. We're going to record it and it's going to be called the Farr Show. So it's going to be amazing. But what stocks do I have? Now, if you guys want to get a notepad or you guys want to just try to take a mental note of some of these stocks that I have, I'm going to go ahead and read them off the computer so I don't have to memorize them. So I do have 1 share of Apple, 6 shares of the Aurora Cannabis. They're a very, very cheap stock, trading at 87 cents. I feel like there's some sort of growth. I only have six shares of it, so it's not much. Then I have Bank of America. I have 3 shares. Carnival Cruise, I have 2 shares. 1 share of Delta Airlines, 3 shares of Disney, 16 shares of Ford, 2 shares of Coke, 5 shares of ticker symbol Maine, 38 shares of ticker symbol NLY, that is a REIT, which you call them. I have a variety of those. We'll talk about them here in a minute. I have 1 share of ticker symbol O, 2 shares of PEN, 1 share of RUN, 2.004 shares of SJR, 1 share of UAL, 1 share of Visa, 1.009 shares of VNQ, 2 shares of VU, and then 1 share of ExxonMobil. So I know there's a lot of shares, and I know you guys probably got confused. And the reason why I feel like some of them are a little off is because looking at, let's say, VNQ here, VNQ I own 1.009 shares. And how that works, it's pretty simple, is I have this dividend reinvestment plan. So I'm taking all the dividends that I'm getting right now and I'm reinvesting them back into the stock. Now that's why I'm using TD Ameritrade's platform, because they offer that. If you guys are using like a service like Robinhood or a variety of other ones, Webull, they don't have that. I know Robinhood's announcing it this year, so that's going to be amazing for all of you guys. And I still highly recommend Robinhood for beginners. You don't be fearful of not having what you call the drip program, but I just like it. Now with all those stocks that I had, guess how much money I made? Guess. Now if you guys guessed 73 cents, you guys are the winner. Congratulations. Now, the reason why I feel like I've only, got 73 cents out of all of those stocks I just said, one, a couple of them don't pay dividends. They're more growth stocks and kind of swing trades. 2 is because I just started. There's this thing where you have to own the stock at a certain date before you get paid that dividend for that month, and that's what kind of happened. So I did get kind of screwed for this month, but in the coming future, I'm going to be getting paid quite a bit of money. Now for April, the ideal situation would be for me to have $11.38 of dividends. So that's going to be amazing here. I'm super excited. And a lot of these stocks that I currently have, are paying a fantastic dividend because I bought them for so cheap. So my average dividend yield is around 4.7%, which is pretty good. It's pretty awesome. And then I'm going to be getting the asset of the stock going up in value. But so my average month here out of the whole year is going to be around $9, $8.98. And how this works is I'm taking roughly $1,000 per month and I'm going to be investing it in the stock market. Now I'm going to be buying a lot of ETFs, a lot of index funds, and I'm sure you guys already know this, so I don't really have to rant on about it. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. We'll get back to all of you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Take care guys, peace out, have a good one.